for the profession of journalism means 6,000 less jobs in 3 years' time, which is a great number to lose in terms of employment. That means that this ended up in radio stations closing down, shutting down, TV stations shutting down, magazines, newspapers, etc. And the rest of the media that are operating in a very strict environment for the workers. There's no collective payment agreement at this moment. There are virtually no unions at the moment, and the workers and the people working in media are working under very difficult circumstances. I think we have to focus on three things: the role and the purpose of the public broadcasters in Europe, especially in countries in crisis and society in crisis. We have to look into this project of self-managed media. And thirdly, we have to look in the interaction of the media with citizen journalism, so to speak, and how this can produce credible news for everyone.